So today we are going to talk about what is want. Today we are going to talk about what? Today we are going to talk about want. What is want in English grammar? What is want in English grammar? Always we say I want to be a doctor in future. I wanted more biryani. I want you for help. Always we use this type of sentences. I want something to eat. Yeah, we always use want in our speaking, in our reading, in our listening, in our essay writing. The rest of the exams we write essay in this type of words or this type of structures come in our mind and we use it. So the first thing, what is want? What is the meaning of want? So its meaning is wish or desire. Its meaning is wish or desire. Desire. Wish or desire. In Urdu we say khwahish. Yeah. We say like this. But my second question is, what is the grammatical position of want? It is a verb. What is the grammatical position of want? It is a verb. Now, which word? Regular word, irregular word. So, it holds a lot of grammatical position if we look to want. So, want is a regular word. It is a word, but which word? Regular word. Regular word. It is regular word, but over here it is working as a non-progressive word. Want, wanted, wanted. Yeah. So it is non-progressive word as well. It is a non-progressive word. Non-progressive word. We are talking about want, but we are going in deep and we are studying in deep. Now, what is progressive word? So over here we say that what is a progressive word. Now, if I do not tell or teach you progressive word, so you will get confusion more and more. So first of all, we will also talk about what is non-progressive word. We will just simply write a small piece of statement. All those words, what we will say, all those words which cannot be used in continuous tenses. Which cannot be used in continuous tenses. In which tenses? In continuous tenses. How many continuous tenses are there? Present continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, past continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. In these tenses, we cannot use this progressive verb want. So want is a non-progressive verb. So non-progressive verb are those words which cannot be used in continuous tenses. So how many continuous tenses are here? We are having 6 continuous tenses, which I have taught already. So that's why it is called non-progressive verb. We cannot say I am wanting you for yeah. We cannot say like this. I have been wanting you for 6 months. No, it's completely wrong. So because it is non-progressive verb, non-progressive verb are those words which are not used in continuous tenses. So it was about somehow about non-progressive verb. Now what is want? Want is wish and desire. And then want, we will write a small piece of definition for want. Want is used. Want is used for present wish or desire. Present wish or desire of something or someone. Of something or someone in the present time, in the present time or in the current time, when we wish for something or for someone, then we use want. If you wish or you desire in the past, then we use wanted, because the second, third form are wanted. So it was about definition or somehow its introduction. So now we will come towards its identification. How we will identify in Urdu. We will simply say identification is like this. Identification. Simply we say chahna, ya we say khwahish karna, ya we can simply write chahna. If I say I want you, in Urdu we say मैं आपको चाहता हूँ. Now see, identification is chahna. Whenever Urdu sentences end in chahna, chahta, so then we use want. Because its identification is chahna, chahta, chahti hai. So then whenever this Urdu sentences end with this word chahna, then we use in English want. If you want to convert that Urdu sentences into English, then we use want. If that Urdu sentence ends in chahna, then we are allowed to use. If chahtata, chahtiti, then we use wanted, because you are talking about the first time or the past duration or whatsoever. So now we will come towards how to construct the sentence of want. So first we will write a formula for want. Just a simple formula is subject. First, what will come? Subject plus want plus to plus first form of the verb and rest part of this sentence object, and these are optional that depend upon the situation or condition. Now what will be subject if I say for example मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ. डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ. Now see, I have told that if you wanna writing something or you wanna convert Urdu sentences or Urdu whatsoever into English, so first of all you need to look at the end of Urdu sentences. What comes over there at the end of Urdu sentence like this? It is Urdu sentences, and now what is coming at the end of this Urdu sentence? Chahta hu. Now I had told at the beginning that whenever it's Urdu sentences end in chahta hu, chahti hai, then we use want. So over here now it ended in chahta hu, so then we will use want. So then what is the formula of one subject first, then want, then two preposition, then plus form of the verb. Like for example, I, may. What do we say in English of may? I. So now I is what? I subject. Subject can be a noun or pronoun. Then want. We will just follow the formula. Want, then second, to, just to, then plus first one. Now see, I want to be a doctor. I want to be. Now see, B is what? B is first one. I want to be a doctor. Now see, I is the subject and want to is this, like in the same formula, and B is the first form of the verb. So this sentence is completely correct because we have followed the rule and regulation of the formula of want. Now if I say I want to you, I want to you, and there is another sentence, I want you, I want you. Now these are two sentences. I want you, मैं आपको चाहता हूँ. I want to you, मैं आपको चाहता हूँ. But in these two sentences, this one is correct and this one is incorrect. Why? The reason is if you want to mention action verb or any action, then we use to after want. Yeah. If you would like to mention something or someone, then we do not use this to. Over here I mentioned someone. That's why I didn't use to. Over here, for example, over here I have used action be. So over here I use to. If I say I want to eat. Now see, over here I have used eat action verb, that's why I use to after want. Because after want we can use to as well, and we cannot use to as well because I have told the reason. So now this one is correct. If I say I want eat, it's completely correct because want is also first form of the verb, it is also first form of the verb. So we are not allowed to use to first form of the verb, then we use full imperative. So to plus first form of the verb is called full imperative. That is another structure we as well in the next lessons. So it was all about want. And one more thing, we cannot use this want in modal auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliary, M stands for modal, S stands for auxiliary, P stands for verb. We cannot use wants in modal auxiliary verb because this shows desire. So modal auxiliary verb do not show desire or wish or something else. So that is this another topic we will discuss about this one as well. So then there is a small piece of topic we will cover in the same lecture, that is wanted. That is what? That is wanted. Before going to tell you wanted, I would like to tell you the negative and interrogative sentences of these simple sentences. So it is used in present indefinite tense. So after in present indefinite tense, after subject we use don't or do not. I do not want to be. I do not want to eat. This is the negative sentences. After subject we use do or and plus not. If the subject is are, you, we, they, and learn now, then we use do. If the subject is he, she, it, and any singular name or not, then we use does. So what will be the interrogative? I will bring this do at the beginning, then I will put the subject in the place of do in interrogative sentences, then the not is removed and rest part of the sentence will be like the same. I want to eat at the end of question mark. So it was into negative interrogative. If for example she wants you, with ish we also use s. She wants biryani. So how will be the negative? She doesn't, because she is singular. With singular we use does. She doesn't want biryani. Does she want biryani? In negative and interrogative sentences we cannot use s with does, whether that is she or he or it or any singular noun or name. So now come towards the want. What is want? Want is just for past. For past wish. It is just simply used for past wish. If I say I wanted you, I wanted more biryani. So मुझे ज़्यादा बिरयानी चाहिए थी. Whenever these type of words come at the end of any Urdu sentences, then we use wanted. Wish all the best. We will see you in the next lesson.